Glad to see you. Hey, baby, the solar guys here. Come outside. We got about 5.5 acres. It's kind of both of our dreams to live out here off the grid. This is where we stay right now. It's kind of a mess. It's kind of falling apart. We got a bunch of flies right now.
Oh, it stinks in here.
It's just in a process of a remodel.
They couldn't keep her anymore, so it was either throw her to the side of the road or put her down with a gun.
What do y'all do with your trash?
I burned my trash, as you can see there in the barrel. Instead of putting the animals back into the ground if they pass away, they go to the same place, and you know, we dispose of them that way. His name's Iceman, but he's got the nickname Immigration. We figured in honor of Trump, we would nickname him Immigration. Now,
that's how I took a shower yesterday. I poured 2 bottles of water over my head. And...
So how long have you and your wife been married?
We've been together for about 3 years. We're not officially married, but you know, we also don't believe in a piece of paper. We believe in marriage through God, not.
Do you have a job?
Currently, I'm without my ID and my social. They got stolen when we was homeless.
This is our blind and deaf Aussie. Nobody wanted him because of the fact that he's blind and deaf. He's a double Merrill.
So I met these people last night at the local eatery in town, and they live completely off the grid. They told me they didn't have any water, they didn't have any electric, and they were living in a camper. They don't have a car, and the guy's telling me that him and his wife have been walking into town every day just to charge their phone. I did give them a lithium battery last night so they could hook it up to their RV. That way they could at least charge their phone. So I'm gonna go out here and talk to them, and I'm gonna see if I can't help them out. It says I won't miss it. I'm supposed to be down here on the left. Alrighty, I think this is it here. Alrighty. Let's see. I don't know which camper they're in here. Hello? What's up?
How you doing?
I told you I was gonna stop by.
Yeah, I'm glad to see you. Hey, baby, the solar guys here. Come outside.
Did you get that battery?
Yeah, I got it all hooked up. It's right there. It started at least to where we can charge stuff, and we got a little bit of light, but we ain't really using the light. So,
okay,
you know, I
cool.
was able to use my fan last night, which made me happy.
All right, good deal. I told you about my YouTube channel last night, and that, you know, I have property off the grid too, and so I was thinking about, you know, I was going to come by and see what I could help y'all out with, and see if there was anything I could do to help you make your lives easier. So.
That'd be nice.
How long y'all been here?
Think about a month and a half, 2 months.
So where do y'all go to the bathroom?
Man, I'm a guy. I can pretty much go to the bathroom anywhere I want, but you know, we do have septics in both of these RVs. Now, eventually, I'd like to build an outside one, you know, one that's buried in the ground, so that way we can use that. But as of right now, it's just the 2 RVs.
Do you have a job, or?
Currently, I'm without my ID and my social. They got stolen when we was homeless. My wife is working. She works at Dollar General.
Okay.
Just started there like a week ago.
Okay.
So, I mean, you know, we kind of got lucky and found one of the few jobs that they actually have in town.
So, how do you like your job?
I just started, but I absolutely love my job. I have 20 years of cashiering experience, and then I also have a gaming license through the state of Michigan. This is our blind and deaf Aussie. Nobody wanted him because of the fact that he's blind and deaf. He's a double Merrill. And we took him because otherwise he was just going to be dropped at the shelter and probably euthanized.
This guy here is actually a dump. Somebody just dumped him out here.
So you just take in the stray dogs?
We don't have a heart to see an animal be homeless or not have somebody to love them. So if we can find them, we try to take them in and treat them and, you know, take care of them and, you know, at least while they're here on this earth, give them some kind of love.
What have y'all been doing about electric?
Going into town, charging our phones. For a little bit, when the RV was working over there, It had battery power. We were using what little bit of battery power that had. First the alternator went out, I fixed that, and then the radiator broke, and now it's just completely depleted of power, and we didn't have any power for about a week.
Okay. So what about water? What do y'all do for water?
So as you can see, there's a little jug over there. I do a little bit of rainwater collecting, and you know, we also have a creek in the back that collects water, and I try to go back there and collect as much water as I can. Sometimes I get lucky and it rains, and sometimes I don't get so lucky.
So who's in the RV here?
So she actually stays over here with us. She's purchasing that RV from us. She's currently doing a remodel on it. She's got big hopes and dreams for it. But my wife's sister, she come down here, kind of help us out a little bit. But at the same time, you know, we were selling the RV, so she wanted to buy it because she wants to go traveling herself.
This air conditioner you have up here, does it work?
Yeah, it works.
So if you had a generator or solar or something like that, you'd be able to actually cool it off in there a little bit?
Yes, sir. I would very much be able to cool it off.
What's your name?
My name is Victoria.
And what's your plans with the RV here? They were telling me.
I'm going to be purchasing it from them. And my plans are to do a complete full remodel. After I'm done remodeling it, I plan on living out one of my lifelong dreams and travel the United States. And then once I've seen everything there is to see, I plan on going overseas and traveling.
So who's this little girl here?
So this is Dixie Marie. I just rescued her from one of the local people in town. They couldn't keep her anymore, so it was either throw her to the side of the road or put her down with a gun. And I just can't stand to see somebody abuse or neglect an animal.
So what do y'all do about food out here?
So we use a cooler to keep a lot of our food warm or cold. The cooler's sitting right there inside of this RV because my RV's a little too hot for it. So we keep it in here with ice, but in order to cook, I literally have to come over here to this fire pit where I also burn my trash at.
Where are you getting ice at?
We go into town to get it. And what I do to start setting up my fire in my grate is to go like this. And then to make sure that we don't get no rust on us, put that right on top, and that way we can cook just about anything we need to.
My original dream out here was to do a suicide prevention and have people come out, because 162,000 people a year die of just loneliness and decide to take their own life. And then I wanted to incorporate that with special needs animals, which I have my blind and deaf dog. But because of where we're purchasing through, we cannot do that.
So what's the plan in here?
Well, the plan is to completely gut it and redo all the floors, ceilings, walls, electrical. We're gonna take all the propane stuff and turn it to electric. I'm gonna rip the sink out, replace that, replace the entire bathroom, shower. This is gonna turn into my dog's sanctuary, where she'll stay. And then I'm gonna put a hammock right here for me to be able to interact with her while she's in her sanctuary. I got to get a new refrigerator because this one's shot and it smells and it don't work. I've got to get a new window to put up there. The siding and paneling all needs redone. I need a radiator, a battery, 2 batteries, and I need a water line and a gas line in order to get this thing back up and running. But once I have all of that, I'll have a vehicle to get back and forth to work, and I'll be able to purchase this from them for about $800–900.
So you sleep here?
That's where I would be sleeping, yes. This is currently all the food we have right now, which is just some hamburgers, hot dogs, bologna, and some chocolate and stuff for s'mores.
Did you recognize that car? Or something like... Right now it's just so muggy, and The fact of the matter is that y'all have no place to cool off if you need to. I mean, the best thing y'all can do is like pour some water over your head.
Best thing I got right now.
That's how I took a shower yesterday. I poured 2 bottles of water over my head and put the body wash on.
So what's the plan for the future?
The plan for the future for us property is we want to build a house. I can actually show you the spot. It's a little walk from here. I built a little trail back there for right now. I don't really have anything built. I just kind of got it marked off right now.
All right, let's go check it out.
All right, just follow me. That way you don't walk through tall grass. You can follow my little trail.
Do you have snakes out here?
No, I got cats. My cats usually take care of them for me.
I got a lot of snakes on my property.
This is basically where you see the sticks posted with the flags, and then this one over here that's kind of cut. This is basically the center of the house, but it actually extends out another 12 feet on all 4 sides. And you know, I figure me and my wife have been together long enough. I want to build her a castle. You know, I actually want to make it look like a castle.
30-pound bag, I guess. Biggest they got here. I mean, man, guys, I'm just like, woo, pretty rough out there. I'd really like to help them out, like I said, and I don't know, if y'all feel it in your heart, you want to help them out, maybe I'll do like a donation or something. Set it up to where there's a GoFundMe or something where you can, you know, send them some money for dog food. Man, they need a whole lot of stuff. You know, lawnmower, generator for backup, dog food. You know, I mean, what's crazy to me is that, you know, you have people like that are so down on their luck. They don't have nothing. They own nothing, you know? I mean, and here they are taking care of all these animals and stuff, and these strays that they're finding, you know, sometimes it's just more about the heart, you know? Got y'all some dog food. Come get it. You're welcome.
Like this now. There you go.